existing in the time. Let's get into the topic. So today's news is India's total coronavirus cases have increased to 38,53,406 after a record one-day spike of 83,883 cases. This is the biggest daily jump recorded by any country since the beginning of the pandemic. The death toll in the country has surged to 67,376 and coronavirus recoveries have reached 29,07,492. Meanwhile, active cases stand at 8,15,538. Actor Dwayne Johnson revealed on Instagram on Thursday that he, his wife Lauren, and their two children aged 2 and 4 tested positive for coronavirus a few weeks ago. "We are on the other end of it. We are no longer contagious," he said. The actor further revealed that they contracted the virus from very close family friends. Amazon drivers in US hang phones in trees to compete for new orders. Amazon contract delivery drivers in the US Chicago City are hanging smartphones in trees outside delivery stations and Whole Foods stores to win new orders faster than competing drivers. They sync their phones to the devices in the tree and wait nearby. Amazon's dispatch system chooses drivers based on who is closest to the pickup location. Government releases guidelines for conducting examinations amid coronavirus pandemic. The government today issued guidelines to be followed while conducting examinations amid the coronavirus pandemic. Only centers outside the containment zone will be allowed to function. The examination center should have the designated isolation room for isolating any person who is found symptomatic. Enough entry and exit gates for students and staff shall be ensured to avoid overcrowding. Musk shares physics homework from university days, says it's too embarrassing. Elon Musk recently found out that his physics professor from the University of Pennsylvania is now the head of Fermilab, a US national laboratory specializing in high-energy particle physics. Musk took to Twitter to share some of his homework from his university days, shared by the professor. "It's too embarrassing," Musk said about his homework. 75% candidates in West Bengal couldn't write JEE due to COVID-19. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has said that her government made all the arrangements for JEE candidates, but only 1,167 wrote the exams, though 4,652 candidates were scheduled to appear for it on Tuesday. She added, in other states, more than 50% of the students were not unable to appear for it because of the pandemic situation. Infosys to hire 12,000 IT workers in US by 2022. Infosys said it will hire 12,000 additional IT workers in the US over the next 2 years. In 2017, the IT giant committed to hire 10,000 workers in the US, which is exceeded by creating 13,000 jobs. Infosys has expanded its American footprint by launching 6 technology and innovation centers in the US in the past 3 years. The Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute has developed the world's largest solar tree and installed it at CSIR CMERI residential colony in West Bengal's Durgapur. The capacity of the solar tree is above 11.5 kWp and it can generate 12,000 to 14,000 units of clean power annually. There are 35 solar panels in each tree with the capacity of 330 WP each. The government today banned 118 apps to ensure safety, security and sovereignty of Indian cyberspace. Some of the banned apps include PUBG Mobile Nordic app, Livik PUBG Mobile Lite VPN for TikTok, Legend Rising Empire NetEase Games and Game of Sultans. Business communication and office collaboration tool WeChat Work has also been banned along with WeChat Reading. The American technology company Intel on Wednesday debuted a new logo, the third logo that the company has ever used. The new logo replaces the previous one with the Intel word mark enclosed in a circle that has been used by a company in various forms since 2006. Intel also announced its new 11th generation processor. World's strongest fruit is kiwi. Eating kiwi reduces eye problems and increase eyesight. This is the Guitar Island in Andaman. It's a part of Middle Andaman Forest Division. The average person spends 6 months of their life at stoplights. Nearly 4 in 10 Americans have never moved from their hometown. Thank you for watching. We will see you on next video and I am signing off here. Bye bye.